Hello and welcome. Today I have a very simple traditional Cypriot pasta dish with chicken and halloumi. Bring a pan of water to high heat and start to poach 3 diced chicken breast. Cut them into I think 1 to 2 inch cubes and poach them for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the 15 to 20 minutes, take them out and set them aside in a bowl. Cover that with foil. Then add 1 chicken stock cube to the pan of water where the chicken was boiling and 500 grams of penne pasta. You can use macaroni pasta if you want, but tube pasta is best for this recipe. Give that a mix and cook that to your liking. I prefer it al dente, but the person I was cooking for likes it soft, so I cooked it for about 12 minutes. Ideally, I would have liked to have cooked it for 8 minutes. 2 minutes before the pasta is ready to your liking, add the chicken back to the pot. To serve, place the stock, the pasta, the chicken into a bowl. You can put as much stock in as you want, but I quite like the taste it gives. And then I've got a block of 250 grams of grated halloumi. Obviously not all that is going to go in the one bowl. Well, it could do, but it's not going to. And sprinkle that over the dish. Then add dried mint to your liking. I add a lot of dried mint because it really gives this dish its defining taste. And then you can add some lemon juice, which is optional, but it also brings out the flavours of the dish and it goes really well with it. So this is my chicken and pasta and halloumi. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you like it and give it a go. Bye for now.